welcome back to the Minted Melon. Today we're going to work on an old favorite. Right? It's called eggs in a basket. We're going to be today slice of bread, 1 egg, measuring spoons, some butter, a pan, and a spatula. All right, let's get right to it. All right, let's get ready to get started. All right, go ahead and get the butter in the pan. Already put the pan on medium high. So that way we can get that pan rocking and rolling. And go. All right, while our pan's heating up, I put about a tablespoon of butter in there. All right. So, eggs in the basket. What you do is you get a cookie cutter, or you can get just over your fingers. What I'm gonna do with my fingers is you want to cut out the middle piece right there of the bread. All right. But if you use a cookie cutter, just lay it on a plate right over here. Cut it. Boom. Perfect circle. So let's do ours like this. All right, we got a perfect hole right there for the egg to fit in. Look at that. Perfect. Our butter's getting there. Pan is getting a little bit hotter. See that coming off that pan? So we know our pan's about ready. Make sure that's sort of evenly. Wow, we see some bubbles. All right, this is what I like to do. I like to go ahead and put my bread in there. Move it around a little bit. I like to toast the sides of the bread just a tad bit. That way, when I go ahead and put the egg in there, it's not getting inside the bread or on the outside of the bread right here. It makes it kind of soggy. So if you put it in there and just kind of toast it just a tad bit, that it won't get so soggy, and it'll stay right here in the middle where the egg is supposed to go. Bring it up a little bit. Get a little bit more on that side. There we go. Just a tad. All right, let's get that remaining butter in that pan. Get it to the center. Bread right there. Carefully place the egg in the middle. All right. So you can see right there in the middle, the egg is starting to cook on the bottom. And what we're doing is we're trying to wait until most of the egg whites in here are cooked. It does take a few minutes. By the way, you always put the handle on the sides of the oven so that way you're not hitting them or you may bump into it. So what I did here, I went ahead and hit that white part of the yolk. That way the heat will come up through here. I will cook that egg white right there a little bit quicker. Most time in the morning you're hungry, and you just want to make some breakfast. Alright, see that? Move it around a little bit. Keep it from sticking to the pan. You can see a little bit more right in here. It's about even with the bread where I made the hole in there, that the egg white is cooked. So let's go ahead and flip this over. Look at a beautiful brown right there. See the egg right here? You can see it's all being cooked inside now. We'll leave that there for a few minutes. This is the part we got to be real careful. Since we flipped it, we're liable to get that egg yolk coming out. All right, whether or not you want a soft egg, you want a hard egg, depending on how long you want to cook this for. Right there. All right, look at that. Put those over there. Oh, music to my ears. Turn this off. All right, we're going to shut. I'm going to cut it diagonally, and you're going to see how much the egg has cooked inside the eggs in the basket. All right, let's cut this open and see where we are. Oh, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. See that right there? Egg coming out. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. And put it on like that right there, guys. There we go, eggs in a basket. All right, I hope you enjoyed this segment on the mince and melon of eggs in the basket. I went ahead and put some strawberry jelly on here. That way you kind of sweeten the deal. All right, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and notification bell. That way, every time we make a new video, you'll be the first ones to get it. Guys, have a great day and enjoy.